still shines bright. It's a glint of hope, a legend in the paper, or just a fake trope. I chase the rush of the unknown light before the cards land and make truth bite. Rip it open, what's it gonna be? A gold-plated dream or a dud I can't see? Flip the cards, life's a gamble on the slot. Press my luck in the pack I sought.
Hey everyone, Scalz here. I'm back with another pack opening. Tonight we're going to be doing the Upper Deck 2024-2025 Hockey Series 2. This comes with 7 packs per box, 6 regular packs, plus 1 of the rookie class packs. Let's get at it. Nothing in there. We'll save the rookie pack for the end. Alright, let's get at it. Hopefully we get something good in here. Alright, so we got Keegan Kolesar, John Tavares, Thomas Chabot, Jake Allen, William Eklund, Anze Kopitar, Juicy Saros, Marcus Johansson, Jack Drury. We got a Brad Lampert OPG Glossy. We got a Young Guns Jeff Luchenko. And we got Electricity Connor Bedard. Sid the Kid. We got Cam York, Michael Rasmussen, Ryan Donato, Shane Pinto, Matthew Barzal, Valtteri Puustinen, Mason Lohrei, Igor Shesterkin, Cutter Gauthier of the rookie on the glossy. That is the gold version of it. We got a Logan Mailloux on the Upper Deck Portraits, and we got a Ulala on Thatcher Demko. Alright, we got Derek Ryan, we got Jared Spurgeon, Brandon Schneider, Calvin Pickard, Adam Pelech, Ville Husso, Taylor Haar, Lars Eller, Pavel Dorofiev. We got a Jake Ottinger on the Young Guns Retro. We got an on-tour New York Islanders, Bo Horvat, and Matthew Barzal. And the Young Guns teammates, Gauthier and Zellweger. It's the first time I've seen one of those. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, we got Rasmus Anderson, Dakota Joshua, Nico Sturm, Evan Rodriguez, Cole Smith, Jesper Kokanemi, Quentin Byfield, Dawson Mercer, and Dan Vladar. Upper Deck Canvas on the Connor Hellbuck. We got a Mikko Rantanen on the Young Guns. And on a heater, Nathan McKinnon. Down to the last 2 packs. Simon Edvinsson, Andreas Athanasio, Matt Duchene, Morgan Riley, Ben Chariot, Keandre Miller, Sam Reinhart, Logan Cooley, Kirill Kaprizov, Will Smith on the OPG Glossy. We got an on-tour, this is a Speckle of the Flames, and an Electricity of Sebastian Aho. Last one of the regular packs, and then we have the rookie class. Okay, Philip Forsberg, John Gibson, Tom Wilson, Braden Point, Evgeny Dadonov, Bobby McMahon, Jeff Petrie, Mark Stone, and John Beecher. Got another on tour of the Kraken, Young Goods teammates of Lane Hudson and Mayu. Nice. Welcome on board of Logan Stankoven. Now the rookie class pack. Be nice if I got a pretty good card here. I want to rip this. There we go. First one, we got Ivan Fedotov. And we got a red version. And then Akil Thomas. Alright. Thank you guys for coming on out. If you are interested in purchasing any of the cards that you saw tonight, you can check out my eBay. It's the off the top on eBay. We have cards that we put up there as well, or you can even comment on here and I will message you. Thank everybody for coming by. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all the fun stuff, and we'll catch y'all soon. Have a great evening.